कौन कहता है तुम मोटी हो? Who says you are fat? Who says you are fat? कौन कहता है कि भगवान नहीं है? Who says that God doesn't exist? Who says that God doesn't exist? मान लो वो तुम्हारा मित्र है. Suppose he is your friend. Suppose he is your friend. सुना है तुम घर आ रहे हो? Heard you are coming home. Heard you are coming home. खबरदार अगर उससे मिले तो. Beware if you meet her. Beware if you meet her. तुमने जानबूझकर नियम तोड़े. You deliberately broke the rules. You deliberately broke the rules. कभी तो समय पर आया करो. Do ever come on time. Do ever come on time. आइंदा से ऐसा नहीं होगा. As of now, it will not happen. As of now, it will not happen. मुझे थोड़ी देर और खेलने दो. Let me play a little longer. Let me play a little longer. ऐसा लगता है वह पागल है. It seems he is crazy. It seems he is crazy. मैं टेनिस खेलने का शौकीन हूँ. I'm fond of playing tennis. I'm fond of playing tennis. कौन कहता है तुम कभी सफल नहीं हो सकते? Who says you can never succeed? Who says you can never succeed? मैं बुरी आदतों से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ. I want to get rid of bad habits. बहुत जल्दी मैं इस मुसीबत से छुटकारा पा लूँगा. I will get rid of this trouble very soon. I will get rid of this trouble very soon. ये मेरी शराफत है. It's my decency. It's my decency. ये मेरा फर्ज था. This was my responsibility. ये मेरा फर्ज था. This was my responsibility. मुझे बोलने का मौका मत दो. Don't give me chance to speak. Don't give me chance to speak. मैं ये अपने तरीके से कर लूँगा. I will do it my way. I will do it my way. क्या तुम मुझे लापरवाह समझती हो? Do you consider me to be careless? Do you consider me to be careless? क्या तुम मुझे नौकर समझती हो? Do you consider me to be servant? Do you consider me to be servant? क्या तुम वही सोच रही हो जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ? Are you thinking the same as I am? Are you thinking the same as I am? क्या तुम वही कर रहे हो जो मैं कर रहा हूँ? Are you doing the same as I am? Are you doing the same as I am? तुम होते कौन हो बोलने वाले? Who are you to speak? Who are you to speak? तुम होते कौन हो मुझे बताने वाले? Who are you to tell me? Who are you to tell me? उसने मुझसे फिर झूठ बोला. He lied to me again. He lied to me again. मैं तुमसे उब गया. I am over you. मैं तुमसे उब गया. I am over you. क्या तुम मुझे पागल समझती हो? Do you consider me to be mad? Do you consider me to be mad? क्या तुम मुझे अपना समझते हो? Do you consider me to be yours? Do you consider me to be yours? क्या तुम वहीं जा रहे हो जहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ? Are you going the same where I am? Are you going the same where I am? क्या तुम वही खा रहे हो जो मैं खा रहा हूँ? Are you eating the same as I am? Are you eating the same as I am? वो होता कौन है मुझे सिखाने वाला? Who is he to teach me? Who is he to teach me? वो होती कौन है आदेश देने वाली? Who is she to command? Who is she to command? क्या तुम मुझसे उब गए? Are you over me? क्या तुम मुझसे उब गए? Are you over me? हमारे बीच सब खत्म हो गया. It's over between you and me. It's over between you and me. मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो. Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. क्या तुम मुझे समझ रहे हो? Are you getting me? क्या तुम मुझे समझ रहे हो? Are you getting me? अभी ये ज़रूरी है. It's necessary now. अभी ये ज़रूरी है. It's necessary now. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have spare time. I don't have spare time. वो छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. वह छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ. Do not interfere. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ. Do not interfere. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. तुम मुझ पर नज़र रख रहे थे. You are keeping eye on me. You were keeping eye on me. वह मेरा बस एक अच्छा दोस्त है. He was just my good friend. He was just my good friend. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. वो अपनी बात से मुकर गया. He went behind his word. He went behind his word. वैसे क्या कह रहे थे तुम? By the way, what were you saying? By the way, what were you saying? वैसे तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? By the way, why did you do this? By the way, why did you do this? वैसे क्या करता है वो? By the way, what does he do? By the way, what does he do? तुम ऐसा कुछ नहीं करोगे. You will not do anything like that. You will not do anything like that. मैंने यह अपनी आँखों से देखा है. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. वही तो मैं तुमसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ. That's what I am trying to tell you. That's what I am trying to tell you. वह कहीं गिर गया होगा. He must have fallen somewhere. He must have fallen somewhere. क्या मैं तुम्हें एक राज की बात बताऊं? Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? अभी भी 1,000 रुपए कम है. Still short of rupees 1,000. Still short of rupees 1,000. मैं गहरी सोच में बैठा हूँ. I am sitting in pensive mood. I am sitting in pensive mood. इतनी जल्दी में कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going in such a hurry? Where are you going in such a hurry? मैं यह अपनी मर्जी से करता हूँ. I do this of my own choice. I do this of my own choice. इसे यहाँ क्यों रख दिया? Why did you put it here? Why did you put it here? काश मैं मुंबई में होता। I wish I were in Mumbai. I wish I were in Mumbai. तुम बहुत चटोरे हो गए हो। You have become an epicure. You have become an epicure. केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. क्या उसने इलाज कराया था? Had he undergone treatment? Had he undergone treatment? मैं दर्द से छुटकारा चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of the pain. I want to get rid of the pain. क्या तुम्हें मेरा नाम याद है? Do you remember my name? Do you remember my name? मैं शर्त लगा सकता हूँ तुम जीतोगे। I will bet you will win. I will bet you will win. उसके बाद भी तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो। Even after that you were lying. Even after that you were lying. मुझे बाकी का काम खत्म करने दो। Let me finish the rest of the work. Let me finish the rest of the work. मेरा जीवन परेशानियों से भरा हुआ है। My life is full of troubles. My life is full of troubles. मैं एक दिन छोड़कर कॉलेज जाता हूँ। I go to college on alternate days. I go to college on alternate days. क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Did you never make a mistake? Did you never make a mistake? मैं तुम्हारे बीच फंस गया हूँ। I am stuck between you. I am stuck between you. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous of me? Are you getting jealous of me? हमें मिले हुए जमाना हो गया। It's been ages since we met. It's been ages since we met. तुम मुझे खुलकर बता सकते हो। You can tell me frankly. You can tell me frankly. वह बोलने में बहुत अच्छा है। He is good at speaking. He is good at speaking. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो। You leave away from here. You leave away from here. तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? Where is your attention? तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? Where is your attention? कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. मैं इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. मैं इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. वह मेरा शुभचिंतक है। He is my well-wisher. वह मेरा शुभचिंतक है। He is my well-wisher. मुझे चावल से ज़्यादा रोटी पसंद है। I prefer chapati more than rice. I prefer chapati more than rice. वह सिर्फ कहने के लिए दोस्त है। He is just a so-called friend. He is just a so-called friend. इसी बहाने तुम आ जाना। You come on this pretext. You come on this pretext. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. यह तुम्हारे चक्कर में हुआ है। It has happened because of you. It has happened because of you. खामखा तुमने मुझे डरा दिया। You scared me unnecessarily. You scared me unnecessarily. हमेशा बड़ों का सम्मान करे. Always respect elders. Always respect elders. वह अब रोने वाला है. He is about to weep now. He is about to weep now. क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है चिल्लाने की. There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout. यह तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है. This is not suitable for you. This is not suitable for you. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं. These are girly shoes. These are girly shoes. तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Why don't you speak anything? क्या तुम मेरी जासूसी कर रहे हो? Are you spying on me? Are you spying on me? बहुत देर लगा रहे हो तुम. You are taking too long. You are taking too long. दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहिए. Don't depend upon others. Don't depend upon others. वह लड़का अजीब लग रहा है. That boy is looking strange. That boy is looking strange. जल्दी क्या है उसे जाने दो. What's the hurry? Let him go. What's the hurry? Let him go. गलती से भी मुझे मत छूना. Don't touch me even by mistake. गलती से भी मुझे मत छूना. Don't touch me even by mistake. जल्दी क्या है आराम से बात करो. What's the hurry? Talk slowly. What's the hurry? Talk slowly. मुझे और कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Where else should I go? Where else should I go? तुम्हारा शर्ट उल्टा लग रहा है. Your shirt is looking inside out. Your shirt is looking inside out. मेरी तुमसे कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है. I have no animosity for you. I have no animosity for you. झूठ बोलना कोई तुमसे सीखे. One should learn lying from you. One should learn lying from you. दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others. इज्जत से लौटा दो मेरे पैसे. Return my money respectfully. Return my money respectfully. इज्जत से बैठ जाओ यहाँ. Sit here respectfully. Sit here respectfully. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. You will have to work hard. You will have to work hard. वह मुझे मूर्ख बनाती है. She makes me a fool. She makes me a fool. मैं आपके साथ समय बिताना चाहता हूँ. I want to spend time with you. I want to spend time with you. मेरा खेलने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. I have no intention of playing. I have no intention of playing. मुझे आपसे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. I have no hope from you. I have no hope from you. तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. कभी-कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. Sometimes we have to lie. Sometimes we have to lie. मेरी तुमसे कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है. I have no enmity with you. I have no enmity with you. तुम और क्या कर सकते हो? What else can you do? What else can you do? तुम एक हफ्ते में कितनी बार बाल धोते हो? How often do you wash your hair in a week? How often do you wash your hair in a week? तुम कितनी बार नहाते हो? How often do you shower? How often do you shower? मैं जी भरकर खाऊंगा. I will eat to my heart's content. I will eat to my heart's content. वह बात-बात पर घबरा जाती है. She gets nervous at every word. She gets nervous at every word. तुम कितनी बार वहां जाते हो? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? धीरे से दरवाजा खटखटाओ. Knock on the door gently. Knock on the door gently. शर्ट पर दाग कैसे लग गया? How did the shirt get stained? How did the shirt get stained? बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ. Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. I will tell the reason today. तुम तुरंत घर आ जाओ. You come home immediately. You come home immediately. मेरे साथ दोबारा ऐसा मत करना. Don't do this to me again. Don't do this to me again. आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. मैंने इसके बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never thought about it. I never thought about it. मैं ये बात कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget that. I will never forget that. ये जगह बिल्कुल साफ है. This place is perfectly clean. This place is perfectly clean. लेकिन मैं तो देखने के लिए आई हूँ. But I have come to see. But I have come to see. चलो उस कमरे में चलते हैं. Let's go into that room. Let's go into that room. मगर वो यहीं रहेगी. But she will stay here. But she will stay here. लेकिन मैं यहाँ से जाने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. But I haven't come here to leave. But I haven't come here to leave. तुमने सारा मजा खराब कर दिया. You spoil all the fun. You spoil all the fun. खर्चे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. The expenses are increasing day by day. The expenses are increasing day by day. मेरी किस्मत दूसरी तरफ है. My luck is on the other side. My luck is on the other side. ऐसा किसी को नहीं लगता है. Nobody thinks like this. Nobody thinks like this. कल से आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to come from tomorrow. No need to come from tomorrow. तुम्हें मेरी काबिलियत पर शक है? Do you doubt my abilities? Do you doubt my abilities? क्या तुम अपना वादा निभा पाओगी? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? सबसे पहले खुद पर खूब मेहनत करो. First of all, Work hard on yourself a lot. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा होगा. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. उससे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is no use talking to him. It is no use talking to him. ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. This can't be done by you. This can't be done by you. तुम्हारी तो नाक बह रही है. You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मुझे सोने से पहले ध्यान करना पसंद है. I like to meditate before bed. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि कौन सा विकल्प चुनना है. I am not sure which option to choose. I am not sure which option to choose. मैं सुबह उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ. I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट नवीनीकृत कराना है. I need to renew my passport. I need to renew my passport. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. मुझे अपनी कार धोने की ज़रूरत है. I need to get my car washed. I need to get my car washed. मस्का लगाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे. One should learn buttering up from you. One should learn buttering up from you. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. मैं पुराने गानों का दीवाना हूँ. I am crazy about old songs. I am crazy about old songs. बाहर का खाना कम कर दो. Cut down on fast food. Cut down on fast food. मैंने वहीं तो उस अजनबी को देखा था. That's where I had seen that stranger. That's where I had seen that stranger. इस तरह का आदमी घमंडी होता है. Such a man is arrogant. Such a man is arrogant. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? उसे चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. He should not flatter. He should not flatter. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो. You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. मुझे नई नौकरी की तलाश है. I am looking for a new job. I am looking for a new job. आपकी छुट्टियां कैसी थी? How was your vacation? How was your vacation? क्या आप खेल देखना पसंद करते हैं? Do you like to watch sports? Do you like to watch sports? मैं सप्ताहांत को लेकर उत्साहित हूँ. I am excited about the weekend. I am excited about the weekend. मुझे नहीं पता कि पार्टी में क्या पहनूं. I am not sure what to wear to the party. I am not sure what to wear to the party. क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? क्या मैं विंडो सीट पर बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit in the window seat? Can I sit in the window seat? तुम्हारी कॉल का जवाब नहीं दिया. I didn't answer your call. I didn't answer your call. क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? तुम्हें उससे क्या लेना देना? How does that matter to you? How does that matter to you? क्या खाने के लिए और कुछ अच्छा नहीं है? Isn't there anything better to eat? Isn't there anything better to eat? बाकी सब ठीक है. Rest everything is fine. Translate it. कृपया मेरी बात सुनो. थैंक यू. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें.